Hi guys, Anita here and welcome to Anita's Cake Bakery. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cover a board in fondant and decorate it with ribbon and how to make a cute bow. Okay, let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm using an 8-inch board. Brush your board with a little bit of water, making sure you get around the edges and then the middle. Dust a little icing sugar on your surface and roll out your fondant to around 3 mm in thickness. Make sure that it's large enough to cover your cake board. I'm using an 8-inch cake board. Use your smoother just to smooth out any air bubbles that may be there. Fold your fondant over your rolling pin and then carefully lift your fondant onto your cake board. Use your smoother to fix the fondant to the board and smooth out any air bubbles. Use your knife to trim off any excess fondant around the edge of your board. And once you've finished trimming around your edges, you can use your smoother again to create a flat surface on your board. At this point, you can attach your ribbon to the edges of the board using double-sided tape. So you would fix your double-sided tape all around your board. You do need to be careful not to dent the fondant with your fingers as it will be very soft. Alternatively, you could let your board dry overnight so that your fondant will be firmer and easier to work with. So as I said earlier, I'm using an 8-inch board. So I'm using 26 inches of ribbon. That's enough to wrap around the board and overlap around an inch. I'm just trying to be really careful here because I'm aware that the fondant is still very soft and I'm trying not to get my fingers in it. So I've added a little piece of double-sided tape just so that the end of the ribbon, the overlapped part, can be fixed on. And that should be quite secure now. So now I'm going to show you how to make a cute little bow. So I've measured around 5 inches of ribbon, and in the center of the ribbon I've attached some double-sided tape. Then you just fold in the sides so that it's central in the middle. So for the middle part of the bow, I used about 2 inches of ribbon, and I've cut that and I've secured it at the back with some double-sided tape. And then you can use some double-sided tape to attach your bow to your board. And that's it. As easy as that.
Video, give me a thumbs up. For future videos, make sure to subscribe, and to get notified, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.